Hi everyone, welcome to Firetone Chemistry. Today we are going to start the new reagent, that is ferric ammonium nitrate. This is the most important reagent for the organic reagent, in which the applications are the several type of reactions like carbon-carbon bond formation, oxidative cleavage, nitration and removal of protecting group. So ferric ammonium nitrate is the most important reagent which do the various functions. In previous videos we see there lots of organic reagent. If you not seen, go to the channel and see there. So today's topic is the ferric ammonium nitrate. Let's start that. Ferric ammonium nitrate, that is NH4 twice, cerium NO3 6. So this can be abbreviated as CAN. CAN. It is abbreviated as CAN is water soluble inorganic salt. So it is water soluble inorganic salt and it is prepared by dissolving fresh ferric hydrate or oxide in hot concentrated HNO3. So preparation, how we can done the prepare ferric ammonium nitrate, that fresh ferric hydrate or oxide in hot concentrated HNO3. This is followed by addition of quantitative amount of ammonium salt. Again, when the fresh ferric hydride or oxide in hot concentrated HNO3, this is followed by addition of quantitative amount of ammonium salt. So orange red color. So the compounds or reagent color is orange red color and can crystallizes out by evaporation of the solvent at low temperature. So by evaporating this solvent of the reaction, we get that orange red color CAN crystallize out. So this is the preparation method. Again we see the applications. So there are various applications of ferric ammonium nitrate. So it is used a catalyst. So it is used a catalyst for several type of reaction. If you know what is meant by catalyst, that is catalyst is a compound which do not take part in the reaction but increase or decrease the rate of reaction. So this is the indirectly or directly take part in the reactions, and this plays the important role in product formation. So the reactions can be done in presence of catalyst, that is CAN, carbon-carbon bond formation, oxidative cleavage, nitration and removal of protecting group. So protecting group are the groups which can be used for the protection of, like alcoholic group OH or NH2 group, which can be protected by the various reagent for the specific reaction. In the specific reaction, this group can be protected and reaction can be done. So first is the deprotection reagent. Deprotection reagent, that is para-methoxybenzyl ether. Para-methoxy. This is the methoxy group. This is the para position. Ortho, meta, para position, para-methoxy benzyl ether. In presence of CAN, we get para-methoxy benzaldehyde. So para-methoxy benzaldehyde is we get as a product. So here deprotection done Again, oxidation of sulfide to sulfoxide. So CAN also plays role in the oxidation, that is R dash. This is sulfide. Here CAN, NaBrO3, SiO2 and CH2Cl2, and we get sulfoxide as a product. So here oxidation of sulfur takes place, that is sulfoxide we get. Again, formation of carbon-carbon bond. So CAN in presence of MeOH and reflux condition, that is R. So the compound, this is the compound which on reacted with compound second in presence of CAN, MeOH in reflux condition, we get the compound, that is compound third, and here new carbon-carbon bond is formed. So here new carbon-carbon bond is here. This is the compound first. Here we get the new carbon-carbon bond, and we get that the compound third. Here R and R dash group may be OCS3, C5S10, cyclopentyl or cyclohexyl group may be present. So again, formation of carbon hetero bond, carbon heteroatom bond. This is the one of the application. It involves oxidative addition of heteroatom. So here oxidative addition of heteroatom takes place. Central radicals to alkenes and alkynes, carbon hetero bond, that is carbon oxygen, carbon sulfur, carbon nitrogen, carbon beryllium or carbon Br or carbon C. So these are the carbon heteroatom bond. So here this is the substituted styrene when reacted with NH4 SCN, that is ammonium thiocyanate, in presence of CAN, we get that the product which is dithiocyanate, in presence of CH3Cl, room temperature, and for 15 minutes we get corresponding dithiocyanate, that is substituted dithiocyanate or dithiocyanate. Again RNH2 plus RCOO, R dash, that is 5 mole percent CAN ETOH, room temperature 1.5 to 4 hour reflux, then we get ARNH R dash CO R dash. So this is the one of the carbon heteroatom bond, formation of carbon heteroatom. Again, synthesis of beta amino carbonyl compound. So synthesis of beta amino carbonyl compound can be done in presence of CAN, that is secondary amine R-NH, when reacted with the alkene which have electron withdrawing group, 3 mole percentage of CAN, H2O, room temperature 5 to 60 minutes, then R-N, R dash, electron withdrawing group. So here again synthesis of beta amino carbonyl compound. Beta amino carbonyl compound we get. So here electron withdrawing groups are CN, COR, COMe, CONH2. These are the group, electron withdrawing group. So in such a reaction there is used CAN 3 mole percent, H2O, room temperature and 5 to 6 mm. Can catalyze the reaction of amines with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound in water to give corresponding beta amino carbonyl compound. So can again used as like catalyst, and this can be done the reaction and we get alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound in water to give corresponding beta amino carbonyl group. So the product is beta amino carbonyl compound. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.